Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched. Why you take it to police? Started looking at you funny when you're walking down the street. Looking at you like food, trying to see what they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I was on stage and the milli gets made.
Uncovered, explored. Checking the skull. More knowledge, cave is gained.
That's come on.
Let me slow down. Shiny. It's a big opening. Look how shiny the steps are. I like them. Oh, because wow. I'm a bit scared. Whoa, what is that? I'm gonna look at that. I guess I could say I went in the longest day. You guys need to stop like in the middle. Up on the stairs. Okay. If I could have done this stairs. Now you're in a cave. Aww. Whoa! Oh my God, this is back. Wow. If I was an animal, I'd live in there. Heck yeah. You look like the Flintstones.
Part of the Chipmunks mansion, man.
You look like the Flintstones.
A long way.
It's actually called littering, buddy.
This pathway is pretty cool. Wow. Wow, look at this tree. Look at all these names carved on it. Wow. Wow.
Oh, that's cool. You build a shelter out of those right there. Yeah, I can build a shelter.
Oh, Floyd Collins is still down there.
Down there, that's where he's at.
Yep.
Nice.
And
That's pretty cool. There's some ghosts in there from him. Ghosts. Gotta get in the mud. Step all in the mud. It was just like this time. It looks like a big meteor came and crashed into the ground right here. This is where the meteor landed from.
he still remains down there to this day. Man. Wow. Look at that, guys.
That is so cool.
Bro, look at all.
Look, you get to call that cell phone number. It's Horse Cave.
If you golf club.
Look at that, Dustin.
I'm not saying that. That guy is barefoot.
The glass door.
That's your shirt, not you.
I'm going to the elevator. Come on, guys.
I can't wait to
Dude, wow.
This is cool.
Wow.
We're going to have to get a picture of everybody down here. Oh, wow. You coming, Wes? Coming.
Wow.
Wow,
Look at the stairs right there, babe. Look at the old stairs.
We need a ride with
You hear the water?
Yeah, I do.
Wow.
Let's go right there.
You got service based on your
It's not letting me do it.
Wow, this is pretty. Stand alongside, guys. Okay, so this is what I was thinking.
Wow. This is neat.
This is beautiful.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Isn't that cool? That guy's down there fishing. Wow, look at that.
What is your Indian war call? What's yours, Weston? What? Hunter, what's yours?
All right, Paisley, come
What's
on.
yours?
You gotta participate.
Just
Come
say
on.
yip.
No.
Oh, boo.
Mom, you're literally cussing in my video. Now I can't. Got perfect kiss.
I just put
Start the more over a little bit.
just think trucking up these hills and these mountains and stuff being
Where'd those people go? thing, so I'm gonna have to look through those pictures when I come back.
Aren't these woods cool?
There's all the falling down trees.
I'm videoing.
Oh, yeah, I'm safe.
Look at the baby.
Oh my god.
Wait, guys.
Just go around them.
Or go around.
Come on, baby. Wow. Look how close you are to the clouds. Wow. Look. There's Gatlinburg. Hey, follow me. Go right there.
And listen, and even if you don't, Dylan takes really good pictures. You can always send them to you so you can send them back too. And you can show your friends.
I know, I've gotten some good ones.
Dylan will send them to you.
There's where we're parked at.
Bottle.
Don't record her like I just show you.
It takes the water 5 seconds to... Oh, my God.
That's neat.
And never 17 times up here.
I like how that went up.
Take me in.
Look, it's like it's split in the middle right there.
Yeah, I know.
I want you to be in the picture, so get in there. Just look in the picture and not in there.
Is this the okay?
Huge waterfall. Trying to compare it to them.
여름이면 저 밑에 가서 물좀 알려도 되겠다. 소프 안 나와요. 와.
Waterfall right there.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's moving.
Isn't this cool? Look at this. Sorry.
No flips over.
What are you trying to do?
Falls.
Nothing like
I almost ate the whole
it's raining out,
in the world. And it's like
camping in the rain, cooking in the rain. Rain!
And,
Nothing like camping in the rain.
This is like the biggest waterfall in Tennessee.
the Eiffel Tower. Oh, the AT&T? That one?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You may have heard this, but Altar is here to tell you you can believe it. Age is simply a matter of mind. If you don't mind, then my friend, it doesn't matter. So go on, be carefree like a little baby. But first, give Zoltar a little money, and I will give you a fortune.
What?
It's not coming out. My fortune is probably to pull this out.
This is cool. Wow, this is cool. Yeah, is it an entrance?
I think you can open this. Oh, look at all the fire. I think this is the entrance to the cave. Oh, water.
Is it?
It's like a water cave down there.
It's wild.
This is so cool. I'm sure you're gonna have this open and something that, you know.
That's cool.
Oh, my thing doesn't work.
Looks like an old abandoned show cave. It's pretty neat.
Supposed to be up there.
Looks like an old abandoned show cave. Looks like an old abandoned show cave.